So page 56 is your warm-up for today. Turn there now. And it's going to be the practice of solving two systems, one 3-variable, one 2-variable, and then your homework is the evens from the page from last night. So for number 1, since it's a 2-variable system, I want to match the coefficient on either x or y. I think I'm going to do y since that one's already negative. So I'm going to multiply this equation by 2. I'm going to recopy the first equation. And then I'm going to add them together to cancel the y's. Oops. And then we're going to divide to solve for x. And if you want, you can double check yourself with the calculator for your arithmetic or to make sure you added correctly. Once I have the x, I'm going to pick one of the equations to substitute in for y. So I'm going to do this one. Subtract 6. And we get y is 12. So the answer is 6, 12. That is the point of intersection. So now for number 2 with 3 variables and 3 equations, we have to pick one variable to eliminate 2 different ways. And I think I'm gonna just eliminate the x's. So if I pair the first 2 equations together, I'm gonna multiply the top one by 2. And then bring down the second equation. And then I'm gonna pair the top one with the bottom since I can multiply the coefficient of 1 by 5. You can't forget you have to multiply every single term by the constant you've chosen. So I did times 5 and times 2. So when I go to combine my equations, I need the signs on x to be opposite. So I'm just gonna pick one of the equations to make all the signs opposite. So I get negative 9y plus 10z is 19. And then negative 6y plus 14z is 20. So now I'm gonna take these 2 equations to eliminate a variable, either y or z. So I think I'm going to eliminate the, I don't know, let's pick y. So you could multiply this one by 6 and this one by 9. Let's see if there's a lesser common multiple, like 18. So if I multiply this one by 2 and this one by 3, I can get both of the y's to be 18 for a coefficient. Let's see. That's 42z. And again, I have a problem, oops, where I need the signs to be opposite. Sorry, I bumped the stand here. So I'm just gonna change this one. So we get, I have to do net 20 minus 42. 38 minus 60. Oh, look at that. Z is 1. And then I can pick either of these equations to substitute in to find y. Let's just go over here. Negative 6y plus 14 equals 20. Negative 6y is 6, so y is negative 1. Now I'm going to take both of these and substitute it into one of the original. Let's just pick the top one again. So x plus 2 times y minus 3 times z equals negative 3. And then we got to solve that. So x minus 5 is negative 3. Add the 5 to the right, x is 2. So the answer is 2, negative 1, 1, because it has to go x, y, z. All right, now that we've done the warm-up, your job is the evens on the other 2 pages.